Hey there, welcome back to Nail Chronicle. This week I'm back with a super simple design that anybody could do. You can twist it up in your own way, use your own colours and change it to whatever you've got on hand, so you don't have to be constricted by the colours and the stamping plates that I use. So for my design I decided to start out with all blue. I applied 2 coats of this, and then for my accent nail, whilst I didn't film it, I did also apply a black polish to it. For the accent nail, you could do a couple of things. For this video, I'm doing nail stamping, but you could also apply a sticker, you could do some dots or something, or do some freehand nail art if you're feeling a bit brave. So I just started out with once all the polishes were dry, I grabbed my stamping plate and just scraped the polish on. I accidentally just missed the framing on this bit of film, so I do have another clip from next week's video just so you can get a better picture. So just pop your nail polish on, don't make it too thick or too thin, scrape at a 45-degree angle, slowly pick up with your stamper, so just roll it over gently. Some of the stampers prefer to be pressed down, it just depends, and you might have to experiment with it. And then pop it on your nail, and that's it. So super quick, super easy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions or if you need any extra tips. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next week. Bye.